So the first phase, I learned how to write SQL queries. You're going to do a ton of SQL. Then you're going to learn about SSIS, which is ETL, extract, transform, and load data. You're going to learn how to clean the data. Then you're going to learn about SSMS, creating reports. Then you're going to learn a little bit about SSAS. But once you get into the second phase, you're going to go into real life projects. You're going to work in different industries. You have mortgage company projects that you have to do, and then you have your own project. But the mortgage company is in several phases, depending on how quickly you want to complete it. You can complete it in a month, as I stated, or you can complete it however long you depending on your dedication. Then you get to choose a special tool. You can choose to continue with SQL. You can choose to be an ETL developer. You can choose I believe SSMS. You can choose Power BI. You can choose Tableau. You can choose to specialize in Click. That's the phase. In that phase, then you have a whole nother projects that you have to do in order for you to complete. So it's really up to you what tool you want to choose in the second phase. And then once you complete all your projects, you're going to get scrutinized. It has to meet requirement. It has to meet the business requirements of the industry. That phase is when you pick your own data set. Your data set has to be approved. Once that's approved, you complete your project. You're going to learn so many things. So you're going to learn the messaging process. You're going to learn how to present what you're doing. And if it's not up to par, like I stated, you will be rejected. In that phase, you're going to be trained. They're going to help you with your resume. They're going to help you try to look for a job. Colaberry found me a job. I looked for a job. I looked, I got offers, but the one that was the best was the one that Colaberry got me. So they will help you all the way through getting your job. And you don't even have to pay anything until after you get placed. And you tell Colaberry when you want to start making the payment. So that's pretty much the process in a nutshell.